following message is transmitted by Red. This video will contain valid emergency alert tones. It is extremely important that you don't be stupid and play the video in the air, because it will cause massive panicking and confusion. Red does not own any tones, music, or clips in this scenario, but anyways, get some pizza or McDonald's and enjoy watching.
This is KSL serving the city of Hurricane. I am Charlie Blaze, and this is your morning news. The weather for today is going to be a sunny day, temperatures will be in the 40s, and now for the important news. Today is the day that the movie Five Nights at Freddy's 2 is out in theaters. Everyone is getting inside their car and zoom into the cinemas. There will also be a party to celebrate Five Nights at Freddy's 2, if you haven't already. Get tickets now and go watch the movie. That's all I have for now. This is Charlie Blaze, signing off.
Man, that movie was the best. Wait, what was that sound? Is that Freddy Fazbear? Oh no.
The following message is transmitted by the request of the Hurricane Police Department. At approximately 12:10 a.m. Mountain Daylight Time, there have been many reports of four unidentified creatures roaming the streets of Hurricane, attacking and killing anyone it sees. These creatures can destroy cars, burn buildings, and abducted young children. Reports say that these creatures have red eyes and can hide in dark area. They also attack victims who are sleeping. All residents are advised to lock your doors and windows. Do not go to sleep at this situation. Stay awake at all time. Do not go near dark areas. Keep all your lights on at all time. If you see any of the creatures anywhere near your area, call 911 immediately. Stay tuned for more information on this situation.
The following message is transmitted by the request of the Hurricane Police Department and the National Center of Missing Exploited Children. An Amber Alert has been issued for the city of Hurricane at approximately 12:35 a.m. Mountain Daylight Time. 5 children have been abducted from their homes in the city of Hurricane. The first child's name is Gabriel, a white male, age 7, with dark brown hair and black eyes. He was last seen wearing a yellow shirt, light blue pants, black shoes, and he is wearing a top hat. The second child's name is Jeremy, a black male, age 7, with black hair and black eyes. He was last seen wearing a blue long sleeve, blue jeans, white shoes, and he is wearing bun ears. The third child's name is Susie, a white female, age 7, with blonde hair and black eyes. She was last seen wearing a yellow heady, yellow pants, brown shoes, and she is holding a slice of pizza. The fourth child's name is Fritz, a white male, age 7, with orange hair and black eyes. He was last seen wearing an orange shirt, dark blue jeans, gray shoes, and he is wearing a hood to his left hand. The fifth child's name is Cassidy, a white male, age 7, with blonde hair and black eyes. He was last seen wearing a greenish-yellowish shirt, blue jeans and brown shoes. The children were believed to be abducted by the creatures. We also got another report from residents. These creatures are not humans. Instead, they are animatronics. The description of the animatronics are currently unknown at this time. All residents are advised to stay in your homes, lock all doors and windows. If you see the animatronics or the children's, call 911 immediately. Stay tuned for more information on this serious situation.
The following message is transmitted by the request of the Hurricane Police Department at 1:05 a.m. Mountain Daylight Time. The animatronics are now reported to be using gunfire. The description of the animatronics was found. The first animatronic is a brown bear, wearing a black bow and a black top hat. The second animatronic is a bluish-purplish bunny, wearing a red bow, and he is holding a guitar. The third animatronic is a yellow chicken, wearing a bib, and she is holding a pink cupcake. The fourth animatronic is a red fox, wearing an eye patch, and has a hook. The names of these animatronics are Freddy, Bonnie, Chica, and Foxy from the game Five Nights at Freddy's. This is a very dangerous situation, and should not be approached. If any of the animatronics breaks into your home, hide in a closet or a basement. Fighting the animatronics back will not work. The children that were abducted by the animatronics were reported to be dead. Reports say that their souls are in the animatronics. All residents must be quiet at all time. Do not make any noise, because these animatronics can hear noise from far distance. Stay tuned for more information on this dangerous situation. The following message is transmitted by the request of the Hurricane Police Department. All residents of the city of Hurricane, lock your doors now. At approximately 2 a.m. Mountain Daylight Time, another creature was spotted roaming the streets of Hurricane, attacking and killing anyone it sees. The description of the creature was quickly found. This creature has the same description as Freddy, but it's yellow, and has no eyes. The name of this animatronic is Golden Freddy. Reports say that he can teleport quickly, and attacks his victims in the dark. All residents are advised to turn on all lights at all time. Stay awake at all time. If you see any of the animatronics anywhere near your area, call 911 immediately. Stay tuned for more information on this dangerous situation.
The following message is transmitted by the request of the Hurricane Police Department. This is not a test. I repeat, this is not a test. The animatronics have now summoned Endoskeletons in the city of Hurricane. There are more than 20 Endoskeletons in the city of Hurricane. People are getting killed by these animatronics and people are even trying to fight back. All residents must lock all doors and windows. Barricade any entrance. If any animatronics breaks into your home, hide in a closet or a basement, and do not make any sounds. This includes phones, tablets, computers, and even TVs. If the light in your house starts flickering, don't hesitate to look. If you hear any whispering sounds in your house, don't hesitate to follow the sound. Stay tuned for more information on this dangerous situation.
Oh no, the power went out. As long as I am quiet, nothing will happen. Oh no, it's Freddy. Please, Freddy, don't do this. I beg of you, please don't kill me. Freddy, we can talk about this. I guess this is the end. It's 6 a.m. The animatronics are finally done.
Administrative message. The following message is transmitted by the request of the Hurricane Police Department. All clear. I repeat, all clear. The animatronics have successfully been shut down and deactivated. All the 4 main animatronics are being destroyed and being taken to the dump. But the strangest thing is that Golden Freddy suddenly disappeared after 6 a.m. It is unknown if he will ever return, but we are safe for now. You are now free to leave your home. It will take months to repair all the damage the animatronics caused. We thank you for participating in the emergency alert system. Normal programming may now resume.